everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. So I'm on my way to SM Manila. It's family day today, so ano sila mama. Anyway, I broke out a little bit lang on my forehead area, and it's actually the perfect time because I'll be trying out a new product which is gonna be launched next week for a brand. So I'll be posting about that on my social media sites very soon. Actually, later tonight. I downloaded a new makeup app over here. It's called Makeup Plus, and I've been really enjoying it. Sobrang cute niya. This was introduced to us during the StyleCon event. All you need to do is take a photo, and kahit wala kang makeup, you can actually add some makeup on your face on the app. So I'll show you how I do that. I'm just gonna take a quick selfie over here. Ayan. So actually, while taking the photo pa lang, you will notice how smooth your skin will look like sa camera nila. So yan na yung after. So as you can see, parang niretouch nila yung ano ko, yung brows, yung eyes, and even my lips. Niretouch nila. And then you could also do other looks. Pwede kayo mag-try nito. Let's try Superstar. Sobrang daming ano. Ayan, nag-iba na, diba? Colors. Back natin. Pwede rin I think kanina yung natural. Pwede iba-ibang colors. Let's try this one. Pwede mo pang i-adjust kung gaano ka light or gaano ka saturated mo gusto. So it's a really cool app. By the way, I did not vlog all day yesterday. I just ran errands and then medyo nag-relax lang ako. I didn't vlog. I didn't film at all. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang kasi yung weekend ko, rest day, since I've been working Monday to Friday ng dire-diretso. Another thing pala na I wanted to get your guys' opinion about is LASIK eye surgery. I'm looking to getting it, LASIK eye surgery. Tapos, nanood ako sa YouTube na LASIK eye surgery gone bad. So, I was like, oh my gosh, medyo natakot ako ng bongga. So, I'm really scared. So, if ever you guys have tried LASIK eye surgery, let me know in the comment box below kung okay ba, or should I get it, should I not get it. Napanood ko si Shan XO. Shan XO ba yun? Yeah. Nag-ano siya. Medyo scary. Although, I think I need it because I have like 400 on both eyes. And without my glasses, everything is just a big blur. Kasi wala akong makita. So, here at Auntie Anne's buying some pretzels. At pinunod ako kung paano na ginagawa. Ito yung order ko, yung chips, tapos may cheese. Ooh. May cream cheese, tapos merong chocolate chip cookies. Sobrang sarap. Chocolate chips lang pala, hindi pala cookies. Ayan. And then, si Mama donut na naman, ice cream na naman. Tapos may sundae ako. Anyway, meron dito may dyaryo. Nakakamiss to. Sunday comics. O, diba? Nalala nyo ba yan? Meron pa pala yan. Favorite ko dito si ano, malamang, si Archie. Si Dennis, oo nga. Ano pa nakakatawa dito? Yun, si Archie yung favorite ko dito eh. Cool. Baka. Hi, hi, hi. Yummy! Auntie Anne's pa more. May ano siya, may cheese. Oh, yes. Cutie.
Wala na kalikot na ba?
Uy, sunod kay Papa. Papa! We're back in the apartment, guys, pero we're only here for a few minutes lang. My sister's just taking a few photos. Ano sila? Hi. Oh my God! Sa vlog! Yan po ang kaartehan ni Isa. Yan po ang makikita yun sa Instagram, behind the scenes. Yes, may tagapunas pa ng pawi. Okay, Aura. Bilis! Dito ka sa corner sa... Ha? Corner, oh. Yeah! Ayan, corner para may pag-ganong-ganong mga effect. Oo. Huwag ka natawa. Ayan, si TJ nagpipicture. Yes. Finally back home, guys. I spent the entire Sunday with family and sobrang saya ko lang kasi, you know, bonding moments. Anyway, I'm now back home. I have to film a couple of videos before I go to sleep. And right now, I want to show you guys yung mga binili ko kanina sa palengke. Kasi pupunta kami ni Mama sa palengke. Iba na yung palengke ng Quiapo, as in malinis na. I was able to buy chicken from there kasi wala pa rin chicken strips sa SM supermarket. As in, wala pa rin. Ang hinahanap ko kasi is strips. So, ang ginawa ko, bumili ako ng whole chicken sa SM Quiapo and then, sa palengke ng Quiapo. Pinadebone ko yung buong chicken and then pinastrips ko siya. So, meron akong manok for tomorrow. And then, ano pa ba? Pumunta kami ng SM and then, nag-ano kami, dinner sa Pho Hua. Vermicelli bowl. Ooh! Tapos i-add mo lang to. Girl! Ooh, yes!
Feel ko yan. Ito yun ba?
So, let me show you what I got. Okay, wala masyadong laman yung ref ko talaga. And then, mayroon ng face mask dyan. So, I have Yakult. And then, dito ko nilagay yung... Oh my gosh, ang daming ice! Uy, kailangan ko mag-defrost. Oh my goodness. Meron akong chicken. Ito, buong chicken yun yung binili ko. Ay, kailangan natin mag-defrost. Nakakaloka to ha. And then, finally, nakabili na ako ng tongs, guys. So, I got this from SM Supermarket. Sa Daiso ko to binili. So, mahaba siya. So, hindi ako matatalsikan ng... Matatalsikan. And then, ginamit ko na pala yung straw ko from my, sino ba nagbigay sa akin nun? Si Bea ba o si Joyce? Basta mug siya from Starbucks. Tapos may kasamang straw. So, instead of using the disposable straw, eto na lang ginamit ko. So, bongga. And then, I was about to buy Loker kasi favorite ko siya ngayon. Pero my sister told me na mas masarap doon ang poker. At mas mura. So, bumili ako ng poker. 2 kinds siya. Actually, parang ginaya niya si Loker. Tignan natin kung masarap yan. Some double mint gum. And then, we went to palengke, diba? Bumili ako ng longgan, which is similar to lychee. Parang lychee. Masarap yan, guys. 180 per kilo. And then, we have some pongkan. Bumili rin ako sa bahay din. So, yan. And, guys, look at this corner over here. You remember, diba, na lahat lang kailangan ko i-film nilagay ko dito. So, as you can see, paakit na siya ng paakyat. And, pati dito meron na. So, kailangan ko na mag-damage control. Kailangan ko na bawasan tong mga to kasi pag hindi ko pa to ginalaw, girl, aakit na dun yan. So, we have to film, okay? So, uuwi si Mark ng next week sa akin. And I'm really excited to launch something. And I'm really excited talaga. Hindi ko pa ma-announce ngayon. Pero you'll see it on, I think, Wednesday morning. So, that's gonna be so much fun. And that's it. Tomorrow, I have a service review to do for you guys. Makati yun. So, yeah. I have the end of vlog right now. I'll see you tomorrow. Mag-film muna ako. Tapos, yun. Vlog till tomorrow. Bye!